Now we will start our 6th semester paper, Web Technologies. So in this session, I will give you an introduction about web technologies. What is your SEM paper? What is your syllabus? And we will get start our first unit, HTML. Okay, what is web technology? What we call is a web. Web is also, you know, what is that? www dot. It is a collection of information. So we can browse the different user required information over the internet. So we can say that web technologies are the various tools and techniques that are utilized in the process of making communication between the different types of devices over the internet. So what the different types of web technologies? We can say that browsers. By the browsers we can browse the different kinds of information over the internet, browsing or net surfing, and HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets, and programming languages, frameworks. These are the different web technologies. Okay, what are the types of web technologies I have given you? Basically we have the three technologies over the internet. What are those? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So what are those web technologies? Are basically HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, what are the importance of web technology? Why we need our web technology? It is an establishment and use of mechanism that makes it possible for different computers to communicate. One thing we have to remind, to make the communication among the system, to establishing the mechanism of communication. Okay, you can also share the different kinds of resources and make an effective computer network. Okay, these are the basics about the web technologies. Okay, next our syllabus here. First unit, HTML. You already know what is the HTML designing. So we already discussed in the ICT papers. What is that? What are the different tags, elements, tables, lists, different these kinds of headings. You already discussed. Even though we will discuss in detail. Second unit, CSS, cascading style sheets. How to make our web page in the effective manner. Third one, web designing, the third technology, that is web scripting, introduction to the JavaScript. Next is DHTML, dynamic mark HTML. Next, XML, extended markup language. So these are the basically existed in your paper, 5 units. If these are very easy to understand. We already know about HTML in detail. So even though I will discuss about web technologies. Okay, go to the first unit. What is that? HTML. I already give an example about web technologies and with the useful things in the our web technologies. So what is HTML? We can say that HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. It is one of the web language. So by using the web markup languages, we can make the web pages. So website consists the different otherwise collection of web pages. Website collecting the different web pages. So otherwise collection of web pages. So here we can develop our web page by using different markup languages. So here HTML is the one of the markup language to make the otherwise to create the web page. So we can see the what is introduction here. HTML is the first standard markup language for creating web pages. Next, what is HTML? I have given you these different points here. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. You already know about this, and this is the standard markup language. Next, it describes the structure of web page. Okay, so and it consists of series of elements. Okay, so how can we create our web page? So by the different elements, other different tags, we can create the web page. Okay, that is HTML tag, header tag, body tag. So we will discuss in detail. Next, HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. So by using the HTML element, we can create our web page. How to make our browser to the browser how to show the different content. Next, last one, HTML elements labels pieces content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph. So by using the different elements, so this is for the heading tag, this is the paragraph tag, this is the link tag. So every element possessing its own properties, like particular heading tags, paragraph tags, link tags. Okay, a simple example. Basically we have to know one thing, that HTML is an element, HTML is a tag. So in the HTML we will create a web page. So in the HTML part, in the HTML designing, so we have the two parts. One is the head part, one more is the body part. In the head part we can design what is our title, otherwise we have developing any scripting, we have to specify every heading elements and scripting elements in the head part. And the body part is the main content. So how to create our web page, just like I want to create an application form, I want to create an application form, otherwise I want to create some query form, otherwise some student information details. So everything, suppose I want to keep some bold, italic, some paragraph text, some I want to link a photo, otherwise I want to link some other web page. So all these will be handled in the body part. So in the example we will discuss one thing, that so everything will be, an element will be put in the enclosed with the our angular brackets, that is like less than and greater than symbol. These will be called as not less than, greater than, we have to call as this is the tag elements. These are the tag specification, nothing but angular brackets. Okay, first one we have to see that first one, doc type HTML. What is here? Doc type HTML declaration defines that this document is a HTML5 element. So its specification that HTML5 element. Next, see that what is it HTML? HTML will be specifies that is a HTML designing. So HTML program. And next, so in that we have defined that head element. In that head element again we have the title element. Title element specifies the what is the title. Suppose I want to keep the page title is the name of our web page. And next, if it is over, any element is finished its work, after that we have to make it close. After that we have to make it close. So here in the title element is started, after that it is closed by the slash. Okay, the element will be end of the title. Next, after that if I don't have anything inside the head element, I have to close the head element. You already know all these things, I think. And next, body element. In the body element I can specify different headings, paragraph, formatting elements, tables, images, otherwise any hyperlinks, everything we will be done in the body part. In that, look at that, so body element is started. Next, h1, it is a heading element. So first my first heading here described here, after the h1 is completed, I have to close the h1. Suppose if any element is not started, if it doesn't close, it will be applied, the property of the particular element will be applied to the throughout program. Here h1 is started, is an heading element. If it doesn't close, the h1 property will be entirely applied for the next content of the web page. Okay, after that I have used the p element. P is a paragraph element. So I think you know the what is the para element. And next, in that para element I have given the my first paragraph. After that I have closed. Next, I have to close the body element because I don't want to do anything more in the program. So I have to close the body part and HTML part. This is the basic example program. Everything will be, we will discuss the what are the different formatting tags in the next section. So see that what are the different elements here. What are the different elements we have? See that, and it is an what is an HTML element. HTML element is defined by the start tag. HTML is the first starting tag. Some content will be there. Suppose any tag having the content, so we have to start, give the some content of the element. After that we have to close that element. Okay, and starting content and end the tag, starting tag and end tag. So and every element will have to start and close. These will be the basics of the our program. Suppose I want to make some formatting tags. What are the formatting tags? We know the different kinds of formatting tags exist in your ICT papers. What are those? So some bold, italic, I want to keep some strike, otherwise I want to draw some table. So everything we will create here. Okay. So suppose I have created a simple web page here. I have created a simple web page, just like I have given some red color. I want to show the web content. I have done everything in the notepad. Some have given the HTML head title. This is I have given body color red. So content is something here. So everything will be done here. So this is executed program. This is the basically executed program. So I have given the red color, it's shown that. So I have given the red color, it is shown the red color. So simple program I have done here. So practically I have shown, okay, I have practically shown your web page creation. So this is the basics of the web technologies. What is web technology? It's a collection of tools and techniques to make the communication, to make the communication, sharing of resources, and make the better communication among the networks. Okay, so basically we have to know about the three technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, we will discuss the next things later.